Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start in Settings and act immediately. Unlock the iPhone and go to Settings Screen Time to confirm you can change content controls. Once done, decide which filter to change: Safari's search suggestions, the Google App Safe Search, or DNS level filtering, because each lives in a different place. Make sure you know if a screen time passcode protects these options. If one exists, you'll need it now. This step avoids back and forth and gets you into the right control panel quickly. Now change the actual filters, enable content and privacy restrictions, and enter the screen time passcode if prompted. Next, open Content Restrictions, tap Web Content and pick Allowed, limit adult websites or specific sites only. Choose Limit Adult Websites to enforce safe search in Safari. Once that's set, switch to any search apps you use. For the Google app, open Profile Settings, General, and toggle Safe Search. Make sure to save choices and test a search to verify results update immediately. Finish by testing. Run a few searches in Safari and your search apps to confirm restricted content is blocked. If you still see explicit results, make sure no VPN, custom DNS, or third-party content blocker is overriding iPhone controls. Disable those temporarily and retest. If screen time passcode is lost, you'll need to reset it through Apple ID recovery steps. Once resolved, make any final adjustments in screen time or the app's safe search toggle. This completes the change and keeps filters consistent across apps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.